Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful spooky Halloween bow, and you could also use it as a wreath attachment or a lantern swag or a small door swag. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm going to make a piece long enough. Now, if you want to use this as a wreath attachment, you just want to make sure your wire is long enough that you can attach it to the wreath using the wire. So I'm going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my bauble here, and I love this because it makes me feel these little eyes. It almost feels like they're eyes looking at you. I'm going to lay this down in here and take this one and lay it down going this way. And there we go. Let's see if I can get that the way I want it. Then what I'm going to do is take my white chiffon, and I have a tail here, so I'm just going to lay my tail down into the Bowdabra. And now we're going to do a fold and twist. So this is the right side of the ribbon. So we're going to twist it so that the right side of the ribbon, or the pretty side of the ribbon, is on the outside of the loop. So the ugly side is going to be on the inside of the loop. So we're going to fold it back over. We're going to do a 180-degree twist and scrunch it down. Again, I'm going to fold it back over, do a 180-degree twist, and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is exact same thing, fold it back over and twist it and lay that down into my Bowdabra. Do the same thing here, fold and twist, and I'll come back over and finish it up. So we have 3 loops on each side. And I'll take my Bowdabra wand and just give everything a good scrunch. Then I'm going to do 2 what we call funky bows. So I'm going to take my, twist it so that the tail, the right side of the tail is up, and then just come back in here and twist that. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. So this is the wrong side of the ribbon, so I want to make sure the right, do that going the opposite direction, but the right side of the ribbon is what you see. And then the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So this one I don't have to twist. And then we're going to do another funky bow. So we'll twist that, fold this back over, and lay that down into my Bowdabra. I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'll put my tails going this direction. So I need to twist it and scrunch that down, fold it back over, and this time I don't have to twist. And just lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I have this rose bush it's a dollar store rose bush that we just cut in half. So I'm going to lay this down here so we have 2 halves and lay that going that way. And then we have this little foliage that we're just going to lay down in here and take this one and just lay that down in there. Then I'll take my wand, give everything a good scrunch, push everything down, and I'll take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, bring it back up, and now by folding it in half, whoops, I think I'm getting my roses caught here. Let me just bring this through here. By folding it in half, you have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, take it out, and now I'm going to just separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and you can see what's nice about this is I'm not struggling with the bow. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. That way you'll be notified every time we go live, which we do at least once a week. And we'll show you, whoops, it looks like that little ball fell off, but I can put it right back on again. There we go. And I'm going to just now bring my roses up here and fluff out my bow and bring my white around here. And you have this beautiful, absolutely super simple to make, but beautiful either lantern swag, door swag, a bow for a simple door swag, or a simple wreath attachment. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.